Hello everyone, my name is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to be talking about glass bead versus ceramic bead and what the differences are between both abrasives. Now both of these abrasives are very similar in their characteristics, that they are round abrasives, so they're going to roll the surface more than hitting it with a jagged edge. But one of the main differences between the two is that glass bead is a hollow abrasive and ceramic bead is a solid abrasive. So with that being said, glass bead does break down a little bit quicker than ceramic bead, while ceramic bead holds up to about 10 times as long as what glass bead will, because it is a solid bead that hits with a little bit more impact. Now, finish-wise between the two, you are going to get a little bit differing of a finish between the two. Glass bead's going to be more of a polish, and ceramic's going to be more of a satin. And the third major difference is going to be the price between two. So a bag of glass bead for 25 pounds is going to cost you about $35. Now a bag of ceramic beads, since it does last a lot longer, is going to cost you a little over $300 if you go with the heavier grit, and if you go with the finer grit, it can be up to $1,000. So it is a little bit more expensive in price, but it does give you that satin finish and lasts 10 times long as glass bead. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call here. Our number is 828-202-5563.